I need this to be constant. The settings. I don't have settings. Oh, let's add settings, right? Can I add it to comments? I want to comment settings. Alright. Cargo add lib. Settings or common? Or add new. Alright. CD lib. Cargo add CD common. Cargo add let's add config. Let's add lazy static. I hope the music is not too loud this time. I don't want it to be too slow either. It's fine. Not slow, I meant feeble. Add lazy static. Alright, cool. Now I'm going to go to the cargo terminal quickly and I'm going to copy this crap. Actually, it's fine. This is only common. It's fine. Alright. I'm going to quit this. Dude, please, quit this. Alright. I'm going to I don't need the main icon. Okay. Go to comment, go to src, create a settings dot rs. Pubmod. No pubmod. Mod settings. Alright, I'm going to go to settings. Pub static ref will be in the lib. Okay, cool. So I'm going to do this needs Serde. Tell me I have Serde in the main cargo terminal. I do. I can just do cargo add Serde then. If I cat the cargo terminal, it takes it from the workspace. Perfect. You just derive. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Makes sense for that to happen. That's fine. Cool. So I'm going to create a struct config. What's happening here? Struct config, and this guy is going to have derive deserialize. Alright. I need to implement on config a new. This should be pub, I think. Lib should be able to use. We don't need to. We do need it to pub. Yeah, this encapsulation is pub. Pub fn new. This returns config.result. It has a result? No. Returns a result of type the self, comma config error. Right. So I need to let c again go. Not config. It's config. Oh shit! I can't have this called config. That's the setting. Sorry. This config is a create. I'm going to create. It's a class, no, it's a struct. I'm going to create. It's a struct, right? Yeah. Alright. Cool. Config builder dot add source environment default. Does it have YAML, dude? Let's see. Add source YAML, toml. I don't know what else does config have apart from environment. What else? It has files. Show me files. You can just take this. Need a feature like toml. I think I should not do env for this. I'm gonna do it this time, dude. I don't need this to be an env. This is just gonna be a toml. It's gonna be a toml. Alright, I need a feature, dude. Config toml. Alright. YAML, fine. I should just do YAML, right? I'm a K8s guy. I don't need toml. But all the cool things nowadays are toml, dude. In terms of config libraries and all that. Let's go toml. Alright, let's see. So how do I do this? How do you use it? Let's figure out. So I'm not going to do environment. I'm going to do files. Files. What? Environment. Go here. What do they say? Recommend for files. Go to the source crate. I saw it somewhere. I think add source. Oh, it's file.new and file format. Okay. I thought I tried that though. File new. Call it I don't know. Ghosty.toml, right? Config.toml. I'm gonna put it file format. Yeah, toml. Dot build. Right. And I have C, which is of size config. How does that work? Let's see. Go to build. What do you do? How do you do it? How do you use it? How do I use this? Okay, I do add source, I do add override if needed, and then build, and then what? It returns config. Okay. I need this guy. I don't need this guy. I don't need this guy. Show me what's wrong. Okay, this is a question mark. No way. It needs settings, but it got okay. Yeah, this is not supposed to be settings. It's supposed to be config. Really? That config? I wrote that dude. Okay, maybe that's how it is. Yeah, 1 second, dude. Take me to one of my example crate, dude. I use my example crate a lot sometimes. What do I do for settings generally? This is very basic example, but for deserialize it. That's what I thought. So this dot try deserialize, and this guy is settings. Perfect. Cool. So now I can do the pub static ref thing right here, or I could go back to the librs. I can do that here. I can do lazy static. I can do pub static ref. I want it to be settings. Rename this to conf. Alright. Ref settings, which is of type conf.settings, which is equal to conf.settings.new. Not dot, sorry. New dot expect something. What is up with lazy static, dude? Not important. Perfect. What is the issue here? It's private. Okay, then yeah, then it is usable. Okay, then I think I don't want it to be lib.common.conf.settings. It's common.settings. But still, dude, 1 second. I think I can go to lib. I can get rid of that. Go to conf. I can put it here. Okay. Wait a bit. Oil. I can go to lib. I can get rid of this guy. And I can say pub use conf.setting. What's happening there now? It should be settings. Yeah, this guy needs to be. You don't need the con, that's cleaner. You don't need the con, that's cleaner. Alright, I'm gonna say improperly configured. Don't worry, I'll add defaults. And the bar is string copies. Perfect. So now I should be able to go to our this guy. Wait. Common, right? Do you give a file path normally? Let's see. Otago common sarc. Let's see. So wait, let me add it first. Let me go to inference, let me go to sarc, let me go to lyrics, let me go to mod, and I'm gonna take this. Okay. I'm going to create a config.toml right here. In this I'm going to say system prompts but I want it to be YAML, dude. I fucking hate toml. Toml is weird. I don't know, dude. It's not natural to me. Show me cargo.com. That's how I'm gonna figure it out. Yeah. Thank you. This is gonna be prompts. Okay, and then I go system equal to dude. I don't know, how do you do multi-level like this? Is that a valid toml? Lyrics. Alright, so I'm gonna just go here, I'm gonna go common. I need to add entrance, I'll go add common. Yeah, perfect. I can now go common settings dot. So I can go to that and add how do you find that? Let's see. Not in login. Oh shit, I'm just making coffee. Give me a second. Hide this. What I did just now, I made coffee and I never kept the pot there, so it just dripped all over my kitchen. I just got a Red Bull instead. I'll figure it out later. Alright, so config create rust toml example nested go. This is the kind of AI development I like. Got it. Thank you. It's just nested structs. Oh, I like that. You know what that means? I can go to the lyrics create. I can create a pub struct lyrics config right here. Okay, it's gonna have derive deserialize It doesn't have that. 1 second. Cargo add survey. FNFT drive. DC realize. Alright. And now I'm gonna go back to the settings dot conf dot rs. I'm gonna do lyrics is inference, which I need. Go to common. Does Rust allow cyclic dependencies? I hope it does. Cargo add inference. Nope, you cannot do that. No, this is something else. What is this? It doesn't allow cyclic. I don't like that, dude. Okay, fine. I'm gonna go to lyrics or dependencies. That's the problem with file-based system, dude. Go to lyrics mod. Get this guy out. Go here. Do I want to create files? No. Not right now. It's fine. It's fine. Not everything has to be elegant. Just put this guy here. Rename this guy to lyrics. Just lyrics is fine. We are in settings right now. So this is lyrics. Alright. Alright. Under lyrics I have the thing called prompt, which is a string. Alright. This is pub. Okay. This needs a default. Let's figure out. I don't know about embed.fs equivalent in Rust, so in Rust, I'm not sure about that. We'll figure out. I'm not sure how embed.fs equivalent works in Rust. I don't even know if you can embed stuff into a Rust binary. Probably can't do anything in Rust, it's fine. Cool, I have this. Let's go back to our lyrics. Alright, so now I can do settings.lyrics. Kidding me? This is pub, what's the problem? This is pub, everything is pub. What's the problem then? Common.settings dot what? What is this? What do you mean? First of all, okay. Common. What's going on? Alright, something is not right. Video inference and cargo C. Cycle is there. Oh, sorry. VI cargo toml. I have common here. This is fine. Common cargo toml. Inference is not there. Don't allow it. Nah, dude. What is that logic? Okay. Settings.lyrics.prompt. That is beautiful.